Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing well and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be refreshing the bedroom for fall, guys. Oh my gosh, fall is already in the air, and yep, I'm just so excited and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Alright you guys, so let's just go right into the video. As you all can see, I'm going ahead to make up the bed. I already put on the fitted sheets, and over here I'm just putting on the flat sheets. And oh my gosh you guys, this is probably going to be like the shortest video you guys have ever seen me make, because this video is just so simple. I wanted to go with such a very simple fall decor. I didn't want to do too much color this year. So as you all can see, I went ahead also and put on my comforter, and this comforter is from a brand called Pure Perim. I'm gonna leave their info in my description box in case you guys want to check them out. But I absolutely love the quality of their comforter, of their beddings. They are actually a bedding company. Oh my gosh you guys, I love the fact that this comes with this three strips across it, and it's such a great quality. All right guys, so as you all can see, also my bed has kind of an arch towards the footboard, so sometimes it makes it so much difficult to fit in your comforter. But as you all can see, I used the hospital style and it was so breezy. So basically I'm going to form like 3 layers on my comforter. I just love the way it looks when you just layer your comforter. So as you all can see, I just took it down and then I'm taking it up down, and as you all can see, I was able to form like 3 different layers. I absolutely love this design. Whenever I'm making up my bed, I just love it. So I just did that, and as you all can see, like you can clearly see the three strips on the comforter. Is just so pretty, and they actually have it in different colors. They have one in black, and these strips actually went like on all the 4 corners of the comforter, which I absolutely love. And once I get my comforter I'm done, I move on to the pillows. As you all can see, I'm just going to go ahead and put on the pillowcase, and also the pillowcase has the 3 designs on it. And also, like I said, I'm keeping this year's fall decor very neutral, very simple. And as you all can see, I have this kind of taupe looking color right here. The bedding, it's also from the same brand, Pure Perim, and I absolutely love this color. For some reason, the color just blends so well with my bed. As you all can see, it's literally like the same. My bed is actually kind of dark beige, but it's also sometimes it looks taupe, in my opinion. So I just go ahead, put on my pillowcases, put on the decorative pillows. As you all can see, the decorative pillow also goes so well with the bed and also the pillowcases. I'm just kind of taking my time to put in the pillowcase. And also this decorative pillow cover, it's just the cover. What I normally do is I just buy just few inserts, and then I have like probably 50 something different pillow covers, so that way it's so easy for me to switch up my pillows if I want. And then over here I just went ahead and added some blankets, or some comforter also, but this is more like not a duvet. What is this called again? Oh, I always forget the name of this bedding. But yeah, I just went ahead and put that there. And because the comforter has some type of wrinkles on it, I'm quickly just going to go in with my steam and just steam it. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this steam, guys. It just, like, whatever it is, bedding, clothes, whatever, it just stretch everything out, which I absolutely love. So I just remembered what this is called. It's actually called a quilt. Is it a quilt or kilt? quilt. I don't know, guys, but yeah, I'm just going ahead to steam the bedding, the comforter, the quilt, the everything. And then over here, as you all can see, I just decided to add this kind of pop of color on the bed, and also I added some pumpkins, which I absolutely love. And then over on this side of the bedroom, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some throw blankets. And also I just love this pillow right here. It says happy fall. What a perfect fall pillow. And then on my console table, guys, like I said, I'm just keeping this very, very simple, very, very easy, very, very neutral, but with a little pop of color, as you all can see. So I'm just going to add this flower vase, and also I added these artificial flowers I picked up from Michael's. I love it so much because it's just with the pumpkins on it and everything, it just speaks fall, guys. And then on this side of the console table, I decided to add this candle holder, and I'm also gonna add some candlesticks on it. And also I'm just gonna add some candle, the burning candle. This is just like decorative candles. And then I'm gonna add my candle right here. And then for my nightstand, as you all can see, I'm gonna go ahead and just do a little thing on the nightstand. I'm gonna add some flowers, I'm gonna add some pumpkin, and that is basically it for this video. Like you guys, like I said, it's it's going to be a very quick, very simple decor. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please kindly hit that like button below, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.